Welcome back to the channel, where we help you get the most out of GoHighLevel. Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule your campaigns for maximum impact so you can reach your audience at the right time and boost engagement. To begin bulk scheduling of emails and text messages in GoHighLevel, start by navigating to the Contacts screen from the left sidebar. To send messages to all contacts, click the Select All option, which ensures that you're selecting every contact. Next, to send bulk emails, click the small email icon to initiate the process. At this point, you can either compose a new email or choose from a pre-existing template, which saves time. Once you're ready, provide a brief action description and click the Send button. Keep in mind that your emails will be placed in a queue, so they may not send immediately. It could take anywhere from 10 minutes to up to 2 hours for the bulk messages to go through, depending on the system's processing time. If you wish to schedule emails for future delivery, you have the option to set a specific date and time. For instance, you could schedule an email for the day after tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Keep in mind that processing time still applies, so it's best to schedule slightly earlier than the exact time you want the emails to reach recipients. And once you're done, click on the Send Email button. The same process applies to text messages. Simply click the Send SMS button instead of the email option and choose your SMS template. You can schedule and manage the bulk messages in the same way, ensuring smooth and controlled delivery. And there you have it. Looking to simplify your workflow and enhance lead management? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial to see how it can transform your business. And don't forget to book your kickoff call for a smooth onboarding experience. You'll find all the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips about GoHighLevel.